Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to adjust steering wheel Nissan Maxima step by step. Locate the tilt and telescopic lever under the column and pull it toward you to unlock. Slide the wheel in or out to set reach, then move it up or down for comfortable sight lines. Ensure clearance from dash and airbags by keeping at least 10 inches from your chest to the wheel. Lock the lever firmly and test while seated. Begin with a comfortable seated position and both hands on the wheel. Pull the lever or release latch to free the steering column, and then push or pull the wheel to adjust reach and tilt. Move slowly to avoid sudden contact with airbags and to preserve line of sight to the gauge cluster. Return the lever to its locked position and confirm there is no play by gently shaking the wheel. Adjust again if needed for comfort. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us make more content. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice, you'll thank yourself on long drives and road trips. I put a tree in mind to keep the cabin smelling clean after detailing, and it hangs safely out of the way. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After locking the wheel, verify all controls work and the airbag cover is unobstructed by accessories or covers. Check that your hands rest on the wheel at a comfortable height and that your view of gauges, mirrors, and cameras is clear. Perform a brief drive around the block to test comfort during turns and braking. Readjust if you feel strain or if the instrument cluster becomes hard to read while driving at normal speeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.